All right, so if your Perplexity AI account is having issues, maybe you can't access features, your account isn't syncing, or something just feels off, yeah, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea. Account issues usually happen because of login problems, session errors, outdated apps, or sometimes server-side bugs. Start simple. Make sure you're using the correct login method. If you signed up with Google or Apple, use the same option again. Next, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and fixes most temporary issues. If you're not receiving login links or codes, check your spam folder. And make sure you're using the latest login link. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can interfere with login and account access. Make sure your app or browser is updated. Older versions can cause account glitches or missing features. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This helps fix account sync and loading problems. Try logging in from another device or browser just to check if the issue is coming from your setup, and sometimes it's not you. Account issues can happen because of server problems or system bugs. So you might need to wait or check status updates. If nothing works, contact Perplexity support and explain your issue, especially if your account features or subscription are missing. So, yeah, most account issues are easy to fix once you go step by step. Just follow these and you should be back to normal pretty quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more quick fixes coming soon.